Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things we talk about regularly on this channel is how the control panel is still part of Windows 10, Windows 11 now. And that, of course, a lot of people are asking, is there a day when the control panel will be gone and, only settings will happen? And I have to say that that's one of the aspects that's very unique in Windows right now, is that it's pretty much the only operating system that has two settings apps, basically. There's a control panel that is a settings place, which is, something that existed for a long time. And we have, of course, since Windows, at least Windows 10, and I think even Windows 8, a settings app, which now has some settings. And what happens is that some settings are there, some settings in the control panel, some settings are kind of mixed. And of course, one of the questions a lot of people ask is there, still advancements? Is Microsoft still continuing to try to slowly get the control panel out and have more settings in the settings app? And we have an answer that yes, and the last build of Windows 11 for Dev Channel, the last one of the year for now. 22523 is the one that introduced two little things that are moving or showing us that, slowly they want us to go to another place. So if you go to the control panel you can actually type control panel and find it in the search. And in that control panel, you decide that you want to go into the programs and features, which usually gave you a list of all the programs that are installed in Windows. It now is going to actually open the settings app and bring you to the apps that are installed in the settings app. So this is definitely a move towards telling us, this is where you should go if you want to, uninstall an app or do something. So this is definitely one of the first things that is telling us, like, we're trying to move as much to the settings, and that's where things should happen, actually. So, of course, on this, you have different ways of viewing the information also in the search and all the things and the icons and the different, have it by a listing or so on. And the second thing that they have done here for telling us, we should be going once again to the settings app. When you wanted to uninstall an update in Windows, a lot of the uninstall was done within the control panel. You could go to the control panel and say, hey, I want to uninstall an update. Starting with this build, 22523, when you go to the settings app, what's going to happen now is that if you go to Windows Updates, and in Windows Updates, you go to the Update History page, you'll notice that at the complete bottom now, you have Uninstall Updates that is here. So from now on, this is where they want us to go to uninstall some of the updates that the computer can have. So it's kind of interesting. They're trying to move, like I said, slowly, more settings to the settings app from the control panel. And that is slowly going forward. But of course, it's a big, long process. Control panel is so many different settings that the process of doing this isn't going to happen overnight. It's a slow process. But one thing for sure, there needs to be one panel and only one. It's not, I would about say not normal, but there's nothing normal about Microsoft and Windows in general. You just wish that there's only one place to go for everything. So you have to go either to one or to the other, but you have to decide if you have which one you want to go to, and just stay there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.